Hello friends, I'm EdiWako. Today we have breaking news. Luna continues to recover as the broader crypto market pumps and the community begins to work together again. After the industry-numbing shock of the Terra Luna crash in May, Terra Luna's recovery has been a major story since July. With the fork in late May, there are two Luna tokens now. The original Terra Luna token is now Luna Classic, while a new token called Luna 2.0 was also launched. While it was expected that investors would back the new Terra Luna, the reverse happened. Luna Classic is now 5x larger in market cap than Luna 2.0. The question is this Terra Luna recovery sustainable and real? Read on. The Terra UST was an algorithmic stablecoin backed by Terra Luna token. $2 billion worth of UST was unstacked from Anchor and sold in the market. This led to a depegging of UST from the dollar. As a consequence, many consumers began to convert their UST, worth less than $1. With $1 worth of Luna, this led to billions of dollars worth of Luna being mined. The cycle of further UST selling continued, leading to the mining of billions of Luna, which in turn crashed the price of Luna as well. Luna Classic performance: May to September Luna Classic, plus 306.7%; Luna 2.0, plus 15.3%; Bitcoin, minus 8.3%; Ethereum, minus 3.5%. Luna Classic outperformed every single cryptocurrency between May to September. LUNC performance: October to January Luna Classic, minus 45.9%. Luna 2.0, minus 8.3%. Bitcoin, plus 19.1%. Ethereum, plus 27.4%. Luna Classic underperformed every single cryptocurrency between October and January. The Luna Classic community rolled out an on-chain burn tax from the third week of September. This question is particularly intriguing for two reasons. Firstly, Luna Classic was actually on a path of recovery between May and September. However, after the burn tax was rolled out, the recovery has not only stalled, but the crypto is down by more than in the last 3 months. So the big question is if Luna will recover or if it is at a dangerous place now. Luna Classic's price recovery will depend on a few factors. Macroeconomic environment, development of Luna Classic ecosystem, differentiation versus competition. Among the above three factors, the macroeconomic environment is not in control of the Luna Classic community. So let us focus on the other two. Here is the latest list of Luna Classic ecosystem. Many of them are not active on the Terra Classic blockchain. While a precise number is unavailable, it is unlikely to be in the double figure. On the other hand, the forked Luna 2.0 has a reasonably extensive list, though it is doubtful that many are active there either. One of the agendas of the more technically minded community members was to find a way to ensure Luna 2.0D apps were also present on Terra Classic. However, limited progress has been made as the top agenda item was moving infrastructure control into the hands of the community. At the moment, there isn't enough money to complete that transition. After some failed attempts, most community voices have returned to pushing for more burn. Given the results of the last 3 months, it isn't very likely to yield results. Without the ecosystem, there is no standout as far as Luna Classic is concerned. There are numerous tokens with better use cases and a focus on developing the ecosystem. In fact, there is increased pressure on new tokens to enable numerous use cases. So at the moment, one can say with confidence that current community activities will not spur a recovery in Luna Classic price. Luna Classic could still recover due to market conditions improving, but that would be in line with the market and not the outperformance as seen between May and September. It is difficult to say if we have reached the cryptocurrency market bottom. No visibility on when the Federal Reserve will stop rising rates. Cryptocurrency industry scandals are likely to recur given the lack of regulation. This period in particular. LUNC monthly performance: August, plus 126.9%; September, plus 29.5%; October, minus 17.3%; November, minus 36.6%; December, minus 10.6%; January 2023, plus 19.9%. In the last 6 months, LUNC has gained in 3 months and has traded negatively in the other 3 months. The month of August 2022 was the most fruitful month for LUNC as it gained over 100% in its price. In October and November combined, LUNC lost over 50% of its value. However, after continuing to crash in December, LUNC has had 2 great days and has begun to move higher. There are 3 major factors that will determine if Luna Classic goes back up again: government regulation, macroeconomic factors, token utility. Miata, an NFT marketplace launched in November 2022 on Terra Classic. In 2 months, traffic on the website has been rising, even if it is minuscule. Meta Gloria, another NFT game, is set to launch on Terra Classic this year. The Terra Classic blockchain is built using the Cosmos SDK. Binance, Crypto.com and Atom are also built using the Cosmos SDK. BNB is ranked 7th while Kronos is ranked 16th on NFT sales. When compared with Solana, Cosmos is slower and also costlier. So while it is possible to launch NFTs on Terra Classic, there are better options in the market. That said, Cosmos is better than Solana on interoperability, and that gives Terra Classic the edge. The more influential folks in the Luna community have been toying with the idea of accessing the DeFi apps already on the Terra Luna 2.0 platform. Some argue that it is quite straightforward and involves activating interblock communication, IBC. IBC enables the creation of cross-chain decentralized applications and the use of different blockchain networks to access different DeFi services. But in practice, this involves other blockchains willing to share access to these services both technically and as a strategy. At the moment, this is a work in progress. NFT will continue to be of interest for Terra Classic, but perhaps not its biggest strength. Government regulation. With the crash of FTX in November and Luna earlier, there is an increased chance of government regulation. The SEC versus XRP case will determine whether such regulation will come via court precedents or via new laws. New laws are likely to be focused on increased transparency on token ownership, KYC, share, voting rights, and taxation. This will help well-designed tokens and impact many of the tokens that are adding zero value and/or are mostly owned by the founders themselves. Inflation has begun to fall and is below 7%. It is likely that rate hikes will ease a little, but unlikely to stop before inflation falls below 4%. Crude oil is hovering below $90 and has been rising in anticipation of the recovery in China's economy. Layoffs in the United States have risen over the last few weeks while inflation has fallen. There isn't too much good news in the economy. The Consumer Price Index tracks changes in the prices consumers pay to buy various goods and services. Urban consumers and urban wage earners and clinical employees are 2 sections of the population whose spending patterns are reflected. The CPI index rose to 6.5% in December 2022. This is significant from June when the levels were about 9%. An increased CPI index means that there will be less demand for speculative investments, such as cryptocurrency. As a result, individuals would have to pay more for the goods and services they use every day. However, the relative drop in the CPI index can be viewed as a sign that individuals may begin investing in speculative assets once again. Thus, this might be positive news for LUNC as well. The community has organized really well and has accomplished a lot of milestones between June and September. This included getting new validators and working hard to get the governance mechanisms in place. The community is central to LUNC's success. However, the community has not accomplished much after Burn was rolled out. There is a need for capital to develop the ecosystem for developing and sustaining use cases in the blockchain. Many of the technical papers written by developers have not won the support of the community yet. LUNC tends to dominate for fewer days in a month but pumps much harder than Luna. For example, LUNC has had 13 days when volume had risen above $1 billion since July. It was just 8 days for Luna. This volatility is strongly connected to news flow and community activities, which is absent in the case of Luna. In the meanwhile, Luna 2.0 is getting stronger by the day. January was the best month for Luna 2.0 since August 2022. Looking at the $LUNC volume data for the last 31 days, it is clear that Luna Classic is also very dependent on high volumes for the price to increase. In sum, the chances of $LUNC recovering are good as the overall cryptocurrency market has also begun a path of recovery. However, should the community activity stall, it could end the cryptocurrency fairly quickly. Yes, friends, this is our news today. What are your thoughts? Please do not forget to indicate your opinion in the comment section. Please don't forget to turn on notifications by subscribing to me.